Hello everyone, Sans here. In this video, I have the latest Microsoft Souris Arc mouse. This mouse using a Bluetooth connectivity, so you don't need to use USB dongle to use it on your laptop, phone or tablet. Okay, let's take a closer look at this device. Here is the Microsoft Souris Arc mouse. The mouse looks very thin and easy to carry. The design is pretty good and a little bit similar to the Pixel phone design. On the back there is a Microsoft logo. This mouse is light and easy to carry, so if you have done using this mouse, you simply bend it like this. The battery in this mouse uses a standard battery. On the back, at the top there is a mouse sensor and also a button to activate the Bluetooth connectivity. Okay, we'll try to pair this device first. I have a Galaxy M20 phone here, so we will try to pair it with this phone. So in order to turn on the mouse, you only need to bend it and it will be automatically off when you straight it back. I will try to connect with the Samsung Galaxy M20 here. The connection process is quick and easy. The response is also quite accurate and fast. For those of you who used to use scroll button on your mouse, unfortunately it doesn't have it on this mouse. But if you are more likely to use touchpad, this mouse is the right mouse for you, because the scroll on this mouse has no buttons anymore and only use touchpad on the upper field of the mouse. Okay, that's all for the unboxing and brief review of the mouse from Microsoft. To find out about other gadget reviews, you can subscribe to this channel and also click the bell icon so that you are the first to know there is a new video on this channel. Click the thumbs up button if you like this video. See you in the next one.